Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm back with another video. Unfortunately, I missed the video yesterday, and I'm pretty sad about that because I challenged myself to upload daily for a month. But it is what it is. I really couldn't upload yesterday. But today we're back. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can dropship and start an online business for $0. And when I mean $0, I mean literally $0. So let's say you don't have $100 for Shopify and marketing and everything. You can start off with $0 and make hundreds and thousands of dollars from this method. And I've seen people doing this. It's not the ideal method, honestly, but I've seen people being successful at it, making thousands of dollars. So if you guys want to go this route, it's a really good alternative if you guys don't have any money and you guys just want to get started selling online and starting your entrepreneurial journey. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So to dropship your items, you're not going to be using Shopify because, as you guys know, it requires a monthly subscription, and also in the beginning you have 0 customers. So in order to market, you have to use you have to spend money, obviously, to pay to your Instagram influencers or Facebook ads. You can do it for free by making a contract with Instagram influencers, but I'm not going to go into details with that. You guys can research it on your own. But anyways, what we're going to be using to sell our products is actually eBay. Now, I've seen a lot of people do this and sell on eBay, and they make thousands of dollars. This is not the ideal platform you want to sell on, in my opinion. However, I see a lot of people selling on eBay and they're successful at it. So if you guys want to, you can sell on eBay, but I would prefer just starting out on eBay if you have $0 and then make some money, and then from there you can go to Shopify. Alright, so what you're going to do is go to AliExpress and go to their bestseller, so bestselling.aliexpress.com. You're going to be prompted to this page, and then from here you can choose any product you like. So let's just say, let's keep moving. Let's just say this gaming mouse. Actually, no. Let's just go to this item and then copy, paste this on eBay. And over here you can see the same item being sold, and what you want to do from here is go to sold listings and then see how much it's sold for. So as you guys can see, mostly it's going for $13, $9, $13, $14, $13. So $13 is the main price, and over here it's only $8, so you're gonna make a profit of $4. And I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to list this item on eBay. So what you're gonna do is come here and pick the product you want to sell. So over here, the exact same product, and then what you're gonna do is press this button, sell now. Alright, so once you press that button, you'll be lead to here. So as you guys can see, the title's already ready, and then you don't want to create variations. If you want to, you guys can do that and list all these colors. However, for this example, I'm not gonna add them. And condition new photos. Alright, now in order to get the pictures, what you're gonna do is go to Google, copy paste the title, and this is the same image which is on AliExpress, only you can actually save it. So what you're gonna do is from here is actually save image. So just for this example, I'm just gonna save one, but you can go through and save all the pictures like these. Let's just save this one too, stuff like that. And what you're gonna do is get back here and add those pictures, open. And then once you have the photos, what you're gonna do is go down and ignore all this, and then come here copy all of this, copy this item and paste it over here, and voila, you have a beautiful description with all the details. And then what you're gonna do is get here and fixed price, 30 days return, or 30 days actually, go till cancel. Buy it now price, let's just make it 13.96, and quantity 1. Payment option, PayPal, require immediate payment with buy now, and then you add your email. And sales stack, you don't need to add that. Returns accepted, 30 days, and then money back. Then you go down, flat cost to all buyers. And then you're gonna find China shipping. Alright, once you find China shipping, you click that. Economy shipping from China, Hong Kong, Taiwan to worldwide. 11 to 35 business days, which is roughly right. Well, actually, you can choose e-packet, which arrives in 12 to 20 days, so 11 to 23 days. That should be fine. Costs, free shipping. And then for international shipping, you're gonna do the same thing. And then that should be it. You can ignore all these things. List item. And that's pretty much it, guys. And then what you have to do from there is just keep adding more products. I'd say you can add 3 products a day, 2 products a day, and then over time they will accumulate, and then you keep getting sales. And you really don't have to market, because once they're up, they're up. People will just find it when they search it up. So that was pretty much it. It took me less than 10 minutes to list one product, and it could be fast once you guys learn how to do it. And there's also one more method I want to show you guys. So what you can do is go to your Amazon. Mine is Amazon Canada, and then what you do from there is go to deal store, and you'll see all these crazy deals. And what you do from there is, let's say we like a deal. Alright, so this headset is on sale. What you can do from there is Sage Xbox One PS4 gaming headset. You come here, search it up, you go to sold listing, and there we found the same exact headset that's sold for $41, which is crazy, because again, this is sold listings, so it's sold for $41, and we can get it from Amazon for less than $28. What you do from there is go to that listing again, same process, sell it yourself. And then add photos, save these photos. So save image. For this example, I'm just gonna save one, but you could save all of those. Add it to there, and then it automatically filled everything. Then you're gonna go here and copy the description. Then you're gonna go here, fixed price, 30 days. Actually, good till cancel. Buy it now price. We're just gonna list it at $40. Yep. And then quantity 1. Allow buyers to remain anonymous. And then same thing. You're gonna add your PayPal. Require immediate payment. Sales tax. We don't need that. Flat cost to all buyers. Service. You're gonna pick 2 to 6 days, 2 to 4 days. Let's just put standard shipping. Sure, 2 to 10 days. This doesn't really matter. Free shipping, or actually shipping. If you don't have Prime, then shipping would be like $2, I believe. So you can put $2, however much the shipping is. And handling day, 1 business day, or the same business day actually. No international shipping, because if you're selling from Amazon, you don't want international shipping. And then returns accepted, 30 days, money back. And then list item. And that's it, guys. Here's your listing. Everything's the same, $2, and now you just wait for your sale. And then once you get the sale, you can come here and sell from Amazon. Now you guys might be wondering, wouldn't people see the Amazon packaging? Honestly, I've seen people do it and sell on Amazon, and they don't have a problem with that. And so I'm guessing people assume that you use the Amazon box to ship it out. So, and that's pretty much it, guys. This listing only took me like 2 minutes to do, and I would encourage you guys to do the same and try it yourself. See if you guys can get a sale. Again, it only took me 2 minutes, and you can add 2 products a day, and this way you'll have 60 products by the end of the month. So yeah, and then again, you don't have to worry about selling it, marketing it, or anything, because it's gonna sell itself. And yeah, guys, leave a like if you guys are gonna try this method or you found value in this video. Subscribe if you're new. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of March. And yeah, guys, I'm out.